Happy Canada Day! Hey everyone, Toronto Ty here again at the park, checking out the special events today, as well as some construction updates later on. But for now, let's walk through Celebration Plaza, which has some new signs up on all the street posts, or street light posts around the area, which are very nice and similar to the ones last year, but I believe this time, or last year, then they had Canada 150 on them. And we got a cool photo op here with a giant red chair with a maple leaf. And there's a stage for the West Coast Lumberjacks show. And up at the top of the post is a Canada flag blowing in the wind, which is nice. They got some planter boxes. They got some live entertainment here, which is pretty awesome. All kinds of treats all over the place. These guys, they're so awesome. All right.
We're going to slow things down here now. We're going to play the silent tune that we have.
Wood fire pizza, anybody? Too hot for me today. But yeah, all the planter boxes, everything, and even, if you look over there, some of the rides are decked out with some Canada flags, just to really get in the spirit. Alright guys, over here next to the tunnel, can't see too much down in there, except for some water on the ground there. Still haven't finished the stairs there, but they are still working. And they've got in the fireworks hill all ribboned off. So yeah, it's about 5:30 now, so we'll probably start to see some people fill in there pretty soon. Alright everyone, just standing here on the Mindbuster exit ramp, looking into the construction zone, and I've got some bad news for you guys. They have extended the scrimmed fence around the construction area to be right next to the Mindbuster exit, which means that we're not going to get that close shot up there anymore. But from up here we can still get a pretty good view, and you can see that they've got a lot of work going on. Lots of holes and a lot of wood lying about. Different planks of wood. Looks like they're putting in more footers and yeah, all kinds of stuff. So let's head over to the other side and see if maybe we can get a little bit of a better shot from that side. Let me know what you guys can see. I see a lot of gravel and a lot of dirt. And that's about it. Well, over here in the designated smoking area, they're giving us a much better look at what's going on back here, as they have taken down the scrimmed fence that was here. Still not a ton to see, just a lot of, you know, pylons and those same footers that we saw before. Right over here on the other side of the lazy river, just thought I would see what I can see. And not much over there. A lot of supports over there in the center, and more rebar cages, which is awesome. They're going to be incredibly deep footers. And yeah, that's about it. So over here in Splashworks, back behind Muskoka Plunge and next to Whitewater Bay, you've got this giant dirt hill that they have been building up. And there are even 2 wooden stakes in the ground here. So read into that what you will, but it does seem like they're flattening it out with this patch of grass next to this patio here. So if I had to guess, and it's actually something that I had speculated on a few years ago, this is going to be the site of a new water slide in the next couple years. Is it going to be next year, 2019? I don't know. But, yeah, we'll see what happens here. Fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. Fix it, fix it, fix it. Well, lucky us, part of the fence here around the track storage area behind Behemoth, Behemoth's Helix, there's an opening. So we get to look directly in at these track sections, which are massive. I know I say massive a lot, but it's true. It is true. So here they are with the brake fins on them. So, yeah, there you have it. The track is on site. So two different track sections here. This one has this type of braking system on it. I believe it's a braking system. And this one has this type of braking system on it. Very different, very interesting. That of course are going to be for the same coaster, same color, and everything. And in addition, there are some rocks here, which maybe will be for theming. Who knows? We'll see. So with plenty more to come, that'll about do it for today. Keep checking in on my channel. If you're subscribed, then you'll see a few new videos this week. I'm going to try to have a few different videos of the shows that the park has been holding. But yeah, this will close it out. Have a good one. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to comment down below for anything that you'd like me to cover in the next video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post new videos.